Okay, so we're out here testing some new Jeeps, and this is a 2019 Rubicon package with the 2-liter. This is the first of the turboed ones that I've ever tested. Driving the 3.6 for the last year with 25,000 miles on it, I can contest that the throttle response is all there and it's always there. The 2-liter with the turbo lag, I'm not sure I would be a fan of that on the trails, but those of you who are used to driving vehicles with turbos probably think nothing of it. So, I mean, you could get adapted to it pretty easily. I don't think it would be a big deal. Ride quality and everything from the 2019 to the 2018, from the 6-cylinder to the 2, not really a big deal. Also drove the 6-cylinder with the 2-door. Again, great. Handles way better than my JK 2-door did. The only thing I really have a hard time with is this adaptive steering box. So you see right here, so if you're looking out, you see that monster sitting there, and that's for the adaptive cruise control, and that's a different thing. I like being able to see past the rear view mirror, and that is something that some of you might be able to get used to. I don't know that I would like that, but you know, again, nothing is a deal breaker. Smooth ride quality. I love this blue color. You can see the coloring here. Really kind of neat. Now again, if you're searching for a vehicle that you're going to be doing a lot of trail stuff with, I would highly consider not going with the painted top or the painted flares, just as preference. If it's not a big deal breaker, but you know, these are things that if you brush up against something, you know, this paint is very, very durable, and it has the you can see there the protector on there from rocks that hit this from the front tire, and it does happen. But just from a preference standpoint, if you're doing a lot of trail, you're going to want to get, again, just as a personal preference, the unpainted fenders and the unpainted top like this one. But to each their own. You know, the beauty of a Wrangler is there's so many different variants of what you get and what you can buy. That's the cool, unique part about a Wrangler. You can make it your own, whether you order it that way or you build it that way afterward. It's half of the allure of the Jeep Wrangler. So just wanted to give an update on this Assist. Again, 2019. This is a pretty big box, and it has a seal here, so I'm assuming that the window can still come down. We got some power on the shield there. That's something. Look under here. Let's take a look at what that looks like from the other side. There's the sensor. It's weird stuff, but if it increases safety on the road, can't be a bad thing, right? On the trail, it's all deactivated probably when you're in 4 low anyway, so it doesn't matter to me. See you on the trail.